What's up, Porsche family? Today, I'll show you 10 must-have accessories for any Porsche owner. This goes for all models and years. I will have each product listed below in this video's description, but you can also find them along hundreds of other Porsche accessories at accessoriesforporsche.com. So let's save time and kick this off with number 1. First up, we have something that will protect your car's interior, which is these custom-fit floor mats from WeatherTech. If you're not familiar with WeatherTech, they are a pioneer when it comes to floor mats for cars. These mats are made of a patented, high-density tri-extruded material that allows for rigid core strength while offering surface friction to the carpet, as well as a tactile feel to the surface. In addition, they feature raised edges to keep liquids and debris in the mat itself and have these ridges to help minimize fluid movement while driving. I love these mats because they're also laser cut to put perfectly in your car without any gaps. These are a must-have because many factors influence the resale value: miles, exterior condition, maintenance history, and of course, interior condition. With these mats, you'll have no problem keeping your Porsche in perfect condition. Next, we have this charging phone mount by Magback. If you have a Cayman like me, or even a 911 with a similar interior, you'll find no place to put your phone while driving. When I first got my car, I struggled with finding a phone mount compatible with the interior since most phone mounts don't work with the air vents. Also, I wanted something other than a suction cup mount that attaches to the window since I like things to look clean and minimal. Luckily, I came across this phone mount that lets me charge my phone using MagSafe and charges the phone wirelessly and much faster than standard wireless chargers. It installs using magnets that attach to your car using 3M tape and powers using your cigarette lighter or USB. I mounted mine and did some wire management to conceal the wires for a clean look. It has an aluminum body and includes a fan to help it stay cool. This mount is the best option for any car. You can get 15% off this mount using my code MikeSeussTesla15 via the link in the description. Even though Porsche makes cars that can be driven daily, I'm sure most of you only like to enjoy it on the weekends when it's nice out, especially if you have a two-seater. That means most of the time your car is sitting in your garage waiting to stretch its legs. Depending on how often you drive the car, there's a chance your battery can go dead. And if you ever experienced a dead battery in a Porsche, you know it can be a nightmare as it can put the systems out of whack. That's where this battery charger from C-Tech comes in. This charger will not only maintain your battery, but can also recondition it and charge it. It can be used on over 6 different battery types, has a temperature sensor, is spark proof, and reverse polarity protected. It's just one of those things to have because you never know. The next thing every Porsche owner should have is a dash cam. Dash cams can provide crucial evidence in the event of an accident. They record video footage of the road ahead and can capture the moments leading up and during an accident, which can be used to determine fault and settle insurance claims. Also, having a dash cam can act as a deterrent and protect you against insurance scams by exposing fraudulent behavior and helping you avoid becoming a victim of insurance fraud. Some dash cams can even record when the car is parked and unattended. This can be helpful in the case of vandalism or any other suspicious activity near your car. I use this dash cam by Rove, which records in 4K and features night vision technology. It has built-in GPS, which accurately records your driving location and speed. It can detect motion when parked and even has built-in Wi-Fi so you can view and manage the dash cam recordings instantly on your iOS or Android devices. So if you get anything from this video, let it be this. Something else that is a must-have is a radar detector. Radar detectors can detect the presence of radar or laser signals emitted by law enforcement speed enforcement devices, such as radar guns or LiDAR devices, which can provide an early warning and help you adjust your speed and avoid potential speeding tickets. Radar detectors can also help prevent unintentional speeding, which most of us have done in high-powered cars like our Porsches. I use this R7 radar detector from Uniden, which is by far the best radar detector out there. It has the longest alerting range and detects all lasers and radars. I love this one because it can detect from all 4 directions and it shows you which way the threat is located using arrows on its OLED display. It can also detect red light cameras and speed traps. Unfortunately, radar detectors aren't legal everywhere, but if it is in your state, you should definitely pick one up. I don't mean to interrupt you guys, but I just want to let you know that I just dropped this new clothing collection for car enthusiasts on my new clothing line called Shifted Attire. And for all you Porsche fans out there, if you like and happen to buy this t-shirt or any other item on the website, all the proceeds will go towards this channel to help me grow and continue creating cool content for you guys. So you can go to shiftedattire.com or visit the link in the description. All right, back to the content. Another simple accessory you should keep in your Porsche is an OBD scanner, and this is for several reasons. You can access the onboard diagnostic system of your car. Not sure if it happened to you, but I've gotten several error codes and had no idea what they meant. The OBD scanner can read and interpret error codes, so you don't have to make a costly trip to the mechanic or even the Porsche service center, which can be extremely expensive. They're also suitable for maintenance since they can provide data on various parameters of your car, including engine performance, fuel efficiency, and sensor readings, which can let you take proactive measures and perform necessary maintenance tasks before they become significant problems. I use this scanner by Foxwell. It's a straightforward device that simply plugs into your OBD port and gives you accurate information displayed on its bright screen. It can be updated and can also erase codes when needed. Keeping this one in your Porsche or any car is a great idea. This one is for those who cannot park their Porsche in a garage at home. If you want to protect your Porsche or keep it clean while you aren't driving, a car cover is a great idea, and I recommend this one from carcover.com. This cover is custom fit for your Porsche and can resist all types of extreme weather conditions such as snowstorms, extreme heat, and hailstorms. It's 100% waterproof and water resistant. It has an inner layer of soft fleece so it won't scratch your car and protects the paint and finish. It comes with a storage bag to store in your car and includes a full lifetime warranty. I've been very satisfied with this cover on my Porsche and my Tesla, and you can get a nice discount using my code MikeSeuss via the link in the description. This one is optional, but if you like to protect your things, I recommend getting this key fob cover I found recently after the paint on my key fob started to wear off and get scratched from regular use. This cover can protect all of this from happening while also adding a more premium feel. It's made of 100% genuine cowhide leather and fits perfectly with a tight, snug fit. Of course, all buttons, ports, and sensors will remain unrestricted without compromising on protection. It also comes with a key strap and is available in 4 different colors. I really like how this one feels and glad I found it before my key got ruined entirely. If you want to keep your interior protected on a hot day, I recommend picking up this windshield cover from Porsche. It can block and reflect sunlight to not only keep your car cool, but also protect it against fading your car's interior components, including the dashboard, seats, and other surfaces, which can extend its lifespan and maintain its resale value. It's also good to have because it can provide an added level of privacy and security to prevent thieves or curious individuals from easily seeing what's inside your car. It's made of high quality and it's custom made to fit your Porsche model. It's a good thing to have and it easily folds up to put away when not in use. This last accessory or mod is optional, but it's one of those things that should be done to every Porsche, and that is replacing the orange side marker light with the clear one. This improves the look by making your Porsche more updated and modern, and also features LED lights that shine brighter while consuming less energy. They're easy to install using the factory mounting tabs and are completely plug and play without any modifications. They fit all 911, Cayman, and Boxer models and are entirely OEM. It's not a must-have, but it definitely should be considered. And that's it. There are a ton of accessories and mods for your Porsche, but I think these are the top 10 for every Porsche owner. What do you think? Is there something else I should have mentioned? If so, let me know down in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel as it would really help me out. And remember, you can find all the products I mentioned in the description below or on accessoriesforporsche.com. Until next time, peace.